हेलो। सो आज फ्राइडे है और फ्राइडे इज़ अ डिफिकल्ट डे टू ट्रेड क्योंकि कैंडल वीकली क्लोज हो रही होती। तो देखते हैं क्या होगा। तो ये मैंने लंदन सेशन में ट्रेड लिए थे। इसका एग्जीक्यूशन, पहला ट्रेड यहाँ से यहाँ था, दूसरा ट्रेड यहाँ से यहाँ था। चलिए अभी देखते हैं क्या हो रहा है। यहाँ पे दूसरा का अकाउंट यूज कर लेते हैं। थोड़ा डाउन चल रहा है, मार्केट बहुत वॉलेटाइल है। तो सेशन ये अपॉर्चुनिटी मिस हो गई। 9:45। थोड़ा टू, ये अपॉर्चुनिटी मिस हो गई। कोई नहीं। चलो अगर शायद बन सकता है, इधर यहीं से ऊपर जाएगा, नहीं तो उधर नीचे। नीचे की रेंज नीचे की रेंज ये इम्पोर्टेंट है। फैक्ट उससे भी इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं, वही इम्पोर्टेंट है। ओके, 1 मिनट में देखते हैं। कि कैंडल इतनी बड़ी है। तो 8 पॉइंट्स। यहाँ पे क्या मिलता है? ये था अपना इम्पोर्टेंट 5 मिनट गैप। फिलहाल होल्ड कर रहा है। नया सर्कल शुरू हो रहा है। ये हो सकता है रिवर्स भी। यहाँ पे आना है मार्केट को नीचे। ओके, ये रन कंप्लीट नहीं हुए। ओके ओके ओके। अगर इसको देख रहा हूँ, यहाँ पे छोटा सा कंफर्मेशन। ओके, कैंडल 50% से नीचे क्लोज होगा। स्ट्रक्चर शिफ्ट बुलिश अभी। 930 गैप। बहुत बढ़िया है कैंडल्स। ओके, मार्केट पोटेंशियल। मार्केट ऊपर जाके नीचे भी आ सकता है। आज फ्राइडे है तो उसको करना ही है। कंटिन्यूएशन जैसा लग रहा है। 5 मिनट क्लोज का वेट करते हैं। ओके, बुलिश बुलिश। मिल गया है। बुलिश है फिलहाल। एसएमटी बुलिश। इसको यहाँ पे कैच करते हैं। कंफर्मेशन थी एशिया हाई। नेक्स्ट टारगेट ये मिड पॉइंट इम्पोर्टेंट है। काइंड ऑफ यहाँ पे भी कुछ हो सकता है। ओ वही है। 2 minutes on the clock. Okay. तो हमसे चलेगा वहां तक, ठीक है। क्या है ये? आती होगी स्ट्रक्चर शिफ्ट। फिर क्या क्लियर तो नहीं है। 5 2 नॉट क्लियर। फेयर वाली गैप एरिया में नहीं है, बट वी हैव अ ब्रेकअप। क्या लेते हैं? यहाँ से मैंने बोलता ना कि यहीं से या तो ये चलते रहेगा या फिर ब्रेक करके अंदर आ जाए। सो this would have been a entry as well. यहाँ पे अगर मैं देखूं तो $86 का रिस्क। दिस इज नॉट ए प्लस एंट्री, मतलब दिस इज नॉट द आइडियल एंट्री मॉडल। देखते हैं, अगर पहले यहाँ पहुंच जाता है देन एनीवे इट्स इनवैलिड। ये साइकिल का ये लास्ट कैंडल है तो एंड भी हो रहा है साइकिल। नेक्स्ट साइकिल इज रिवर्सल और कंटिन्यूएशन साइकिल। ओके, मार्केट को कहाँ जाना है आज? इट्स पॉसिबल कि, बट पहले यहाँ आना चाहिए आई थिंक। मार्केट नहीं तो इसके बीच में घूमेगा। एसएमटी एसएमटी बेरिश एसएमटी बन रही है अभी तो। नहीं, दैट्स आई डोंट बिलीव इन दैट एंट्री राइट नाउ। इसको करने दो, यहाँ पहुंचेगा फिर देखते हैं। ओके, अपना नेक्स्ट मेन पीडीआर है। आई थिंक ओके, यहाँ तक पहुंच गया। मतलब ये 1 माइक्रो में अभी ये मूव यहाँ से अगर देखें, जो मैंने बोला मिस हो गया इधर 891 टिक्स, तो वन कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में हाफ ऑफ दैट 400 में ऑलमोस्ट 500 पॉइंट्स जस्ट विद 1 माइक्रो। और आपका रिस्क किसमें होता? एंट्री यहाँ पे थी, आई एम नॉट somewhere around $150. Okay. ये यहाँ पहले पहुंच गया, देन द ट्रेड वोंट बी वैलिड यहाँ से भी। सो पर मैं चैट ऑन कर लेता हूँ, अगर कोई है। मार्केट वहां पहुंच गया होगा। ये तो चैट नहीं एक्सेस कर पा रहा हूँ, सो दैट थोड़ा लॉग इन में one of my friends wants to join me. ओके, अभी देखते हैं कहाँ पहुंचे। चलो, वो सेटअप इनवैलिड है, बट दिस रन वाज गुड। ठीक है, टारगेट है अपना। नया क्वार्टर। Hello, hey Macha. So I'm on a stream, live stream also, so that will be running, okay? Do you want a voice to be on it? And it should be mostly in Hindi, so you'll see me segue. Okay. So, Macha, so you understand Hindi, no? थोड़ा थोड़ा, हाँ? Yeah, yeah, it's coming. मतलब आ रहा है, ओके? ट्रेड आ रहा है। तो पहला ट्रेड जो था, दैट वाज यहाँ पे ना, अगर देखेंगे ये, ठीक है? तो ये मार्केट नीचे गया, एशिया लंदन टेकन, फ्राइडे हमेशा लंदन हाई भी ले लेगा, सो इट विल नॉट बी द हाई और लो ऑफ फ्राइडे। दिस कुड बी द न्यू लो, ठीक है, ये हो सकता है। बट देखो यहाँ से ये 1 मिनट में है, तो ये ऑर्डर ब्लॉक है, ओके, फेयर वैली गैप है, बूम एंड कंप्लीट, ठीक है। तो अभी मेरे को क्या लगता है कि इसको नीचे आना है, बिकॉज ये रेंज कंप्लीट नहीं हुई है। लार्जर रेंज PO3 यहाँ पे एंड होती है, ठीक है। और अब हम यहाँ पे हैं तो मार्केट या तो यहीं चलेगा ऐसे या फिर whatever, बट ये पूरा रन नहीं कंप्लीट करेगा जब तक वो यहाँ नहीं आता, ठीक है। तो देखते हैं। और अभी सेकेंड मतलब नेक्स्ट साइकिल में ये जो एक्सपेंशन साइकिल है, तो पहले क्या था ये ग्रे में accumulation, मैनिपुलेशन, डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन वन, फिर नेक्स्ट साइकिल हो सकता है रिवर्सल या कंटिन्यूएशन, ठीक है। तो एटलीस्ट उसको हाफ ऑफ दिस रेंज में तो आना पड़ेगा शायद कंटिन्यूएशन के लिए। तो जो रिवर्स अभी होगा उसको हम कैप्चर करेंगे। उसमें ये जो फर्स्ट पार्ट है ग्रे बॉक्स, वो हो सकता है एक्स, एक्स मतलब कंटिन्यूएशन या रिवर्सल ऑफ ये ब्लू, और फिर ए अक्यूमुलेशन या फिर अक्यूमुलेशन एंड जो भी है मार्केट वॉलेटाइल है। सो यहाँ पे ये ऑब्जेक्टिव कंप्लीट हो गया। और ये एल्गो एल्गो वन रन लग रहा है, राइट? या क्योंकि एल्गो वन रन लग रहा है, यस। तो ये यहाँ तक आ सकता है चांसेस। तो हमें कन्फ्लुएंस चाहिए, ठीक है। तो एस एम टी देखेंगे यहाँ पे, एस एम टी बनी हुई है, एस एम टी है विथ प्रीवियस साइकिल, ये फेलियर स्विंग। तो ये जो फेलियर स्विंग है वो ज़्यादा दूर जाएगा, ओके। तो एस एम टी है साइकिल स्टार्ट, शिफ्ट इन स्ट्रक्चर, ओके। बट इट्स एक एक बार और ये इसके ऊपर जा सकता है, तो हमें फेयर वैली गैप ठीक से ढूंढना पड़ेगा, ठीक है। बेटर अगर 5 मिनट में भी कुछ हो। हाँ, 1 मिनट चलता है, 5 मिनट। 2 मिनट्स, 3 मिनट्स, नहीं है कोई फेयर वैली। इतनी बड़ी कैंडल बन रही है। मचा, one candle is like 40 candles, dude. It's fucked up. Oh, it's trading a breaker here. Okay. तो मार्केट ब्रेकर पे आ गया है। अपनी एंट्री यही होती है उसके लिए, अपसाइड के लिए, ठीक है। बट ये यहाँ पहुंच चुका है, सो आई एम नॉट टू श्योर। तो अगर मैं इसको ऊपर करूंगा लेवल को, ठीक है, तो हम जहाँ से आ रहे थे ये फेयर वैली गैप, ठीक है। तो ये अपनी एंट्री होती, बट ये यहाँ पहुंच चुका है, तो इट्स नॉट अ गुड एंट्री नाउ। हम रिवर्सल ट्राई करते हैं, बिकॉज इधर ये फर्स्ट पार्ट जो है ग्रे पार्ट वो अक्यूमुलेशन होगा, ठीक। तो जहाँ ये ओपन हुआ है कहीं ना कहीं जो वहीं आके होगा, या फिर उसका रिवर्सल या कंटिन्यूएशन जो ये लेग थी। अभी ये 50% पे आ गए उस लेग के, ठीक है। डिस्काउंट में आ गए, तो इट्स पॉसिबल ये यहीं से कंटिन्यू हो जाएगा। देखते हैं। लिक्विडिटी वॉइड, डिस्प्लेसमेंट, ये था ऊपर ऑर्डर ब्लॉक। यहाँ पे जो 5 मिनट में एक छोटा गैप जो है, देखते हैं वो इन्वर्ट होता है कि नहीं। कोई थोड़ा वो होगा कन्फ्लुएंस, बट यहाँ पे भी गैप है, ये ऑर्डर ब्लॉक है उसका, तो नॉट वेरी क्लीन। 15 मिनट, 1 आवर, 5 मिनट। कौन सा PO3 चल रहा है? हाँ, 29। हम्म ये ठीक है। जब तक ये यहाँ पे नहीं आएगा ये रेंज ठीक से नहीं होगी। वो इक्विलिब्रियम पे पहुंच गया, ये टारगेट डिलीवर कर दिया उसने एक तरीके से। यहाँ पे नया सेटअप मेरे को लगता है बनना चाहिए। अब यहाँ देखते हैं। ठीक है, 5 मिनट्स ऑर्डर ब्लॉक, तो ये ऐसे ही नीचे नहीं चले जाएगा, उसको स्ट्रक्चर शिफ्ट करना है। ये एक स्ट्रक्चर शिफ्ट है यहाँ पे। ओके, तो अभी काफी दूर आना पड़ेगा उसके लिए। देन यहाँ पे फेयर वैली गैप होगा, देन वी कैन टारगेट दिस। यहाँ अलाइनमेंट करेंगे तो वो ये है, तो एक ऑर्डर ब्लॉक यहाँ बना हुआ है। See macha, when we came into this range, as I'm looking at it, okay, when we came into this range, this low would complete a certain range there. But how we came in? How did we come in? See, we came in straight. Uh, yes, you can say this is somewhat like an order block in 15. Is there anything more? Nothing, right? So the way it came in is not right. Okay, that's why it has to go up here, then create the setup and try and get or complete, fulfill that thing. Just because of the way that it came in, right? So that's kind of what I'm looking at. Like I don't have uh, this confidence that this is where it goes up. Although in that PO3, it's telling us there is a potential there, right? That's the entry. Stop loss is here, but it has reached that top point. I don't think it's going to do that. तो और कॉन्फ्लुएंस ये लो है इसका, ये लो है इसका, ये लो है इसका। देखते हैं क्या क्या होता है। यहाँ पे तो एसएमटी मिल गया है लो के लिए। ठीक है, दिस एसएमटी विच that's suggesting a downward move. We'll observe 15 also because looks really good. Uh, the order block from the 15 minutes. So 2 minutes left. अगर बॉडी के नीचे क्लोज होगा तो ये एक ऑर्डर ब्लॉक बन सकता है 15 में भी। यहाँ पे दिखाते हैं 15 बॉडी क्लोजर बिलो ऑर्डर ब्लॉक। और वो वैसे भी 5 मिनट का एंड 15 मिनट का फेयर वैली गैप का लो है जहां से वो रिएक्ट कर रहा है। इसके नीचे 15 मिनट में कोई फेयर वैली गैप नहीं है, राइट? एक इन्वर्जन है बट कोई फेयर वैली गैप नहीं है ऑन द वे डाउन 5 मिनट्स में। यही एक फेयर वैली गैप है, तो इसीलिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ ये एक इन्वर्ट हो चुका है। इसके नीचे कोई फेयर वैली गैप नहीं है 5 मिनट से, राइट? सो देर इज नो इम्बैलेंस्ड रेंज यहाँ पे। तो दैट्स वन नोटिसेबल थिंग। 1 मिनट बचा है, देखते हैं। अभी के लिए स्विंग यहीं पे है जो शिफ्ट करेगा स्ट्रक्चर। ठीक है, ऐसा भी हो सकता है ये ऑर्डर ब्लॉक से ही निकल जाएगा, यहाँ फेयर वैली गैप ना बने, straight away goes dumps possible. I'll go on weakness, stair step, stair stepping. ओके 15 मिनट्स क्लोज होने वाला है। इस कैंडल में तो नहीं बन रहा है ऑर्डर ब्लॉक, बट यहाँ पे 5 मिनट में ऑर्डर ब्लॉक रेडी है। मिनट्स यहाँ कहीं भी लो टाइम फ्रेम में भी स्विंग नहीं है, स्विंग यहीं पे। वन आवर होने में 15 मिनट्स बाकी है। 1 आवर पीटीआर है ये लास्ट, आई मीन फर्स्ट फेयर वैली गैप है 1 आवर का, और ये स्ट्रगल कर रहा है अभी मिड पॉइंट पे, ठीक है, समथिंग टू नोट। उसके नीचे कोई भी 1 आवर फेयर वैली गैप्स नहीं है, इन्वर्जन भी नहीं है, ठीक है। तो ये पूरा बैलेंस हो चुका है प्राइस रेंज। ये स्विंग 1 आवर ने कैसे लिया इसको, नो बॉडी क्लोज, ठीक है। ईएस में 1 आवर में ये भी देख लेते हैं थोड़ा, कन्फ्लुएंस यहाँ पे भी वैसे ही है स्ट्रक्चर। इसने देखो यहाँ पे एसएमटी है, ठीक है। नहीं यहाँ पे भी कुछ नहीं है, दिस नो बॉडी बॉडी बॉडी। हाँ यहाँ पे है एसएमटी एक्चुअली, तो देखें। ये एसएमटी, तो ये बुलिश है इसमें, इस टाइम फ्रेम। ओके देखते हैं अब यहाँ कंटिन्यूएशन होगा या क्या होगा। ये स्विंग बन रहा है, थोड़ा साइडवेज कैंडल है तो दिस शुड गो अप पहले, देन वो स्विंग ठीक लगेगा। अभी ये ऐसे ही है साइडवेज कैंडल। Macha, what do you think? Up or down? Simple terms. Okay, let's have a look at platinum. Platinum, baby. Okay. Louis Vuitton. Okay. 1 minute will be deceptive today. Yeah, be on 5. See, it didn't take off, right? Like normally how it takes off when we enter the London one. I showed you. Boom. No stopping. That is not happening here. And the reason is that gray could be accumulation. Yeah, see, there is a swing here. Okay, there is a swing now forming there, and the next swing is down here, and the next one is down here. Now in this, it is 5 minutes. In 15 minutes, there is no swing. Can you believe it? There is one swing. Now, from 1 hour, 50% of that wick is also going to be important. Okay. Then 1 hour, by the way, candle is going to end as well. Then you have in 1 minute, where is our engineered liquidity? You see this trend line? Equal lows here. Equal smooth. Smooth. All right. So, do you think it's going to be visited? What about this one? Shallow run. We are in that distribution cycle, microcycle, two which could be reversal also, right? So that's this is the first candle, no, second candle of that. This is second candle right now. So we have it till about 11:45. So there is so much space left. Okay, and I see this can become a market maker sell model. So you don't have anything here, right? It's just accumulation, manipulation kind of situation happening. So this could be a sell model. Two levels of consolidation could be. Now we don't know. I mean, it all depends on what happens. Okay, so swing is forming. Mm, this is an accumulation clear. So it should maybe end somewhere near here, and it has ended with this is the last candle forming. ठीक है ये बन गया ये बन गया और यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी एस एम टी हो गए एस एम टी हो रखा है ठीक है ये अपना एस एम टी पहले से चल रहा है यहाँ पे बेरिश फेलियर स्विंग नेक्स्ट इज मैनिपुलेशन प्लैटिनम number 9 platinum has SMT with gold it seems 5 minute and copper SMT oh man failures on copper platinum Let's see what um, stop loss kind of looks at. Go to paper trading and check. Let's say if the setup happens, why is it not allowing me to place? It should give data. I have to close it like this. This $80 risk, 150 reward. No, no, the setup has to happen, dude. There is new cycle. There is a freaking clear SMT happening. The failure swing is on copper, so that should move. There is an order block form. There is a potential of fair value gap. Yeah. Okay, swing is successfully formed. See all this rejection block, strong support. Strongest support. Let's see what lunch brings also to the table. Okay, ऑर्डर ब्लॉक तो नहीं लग रहा है फॉर्म होते हुए 15 मिनट्स में. ये है लिक्विडिटी टारगेट 1 आवर. बहुत जल्दी ऑर्डर ब्लॉक बन भी सकता है अगर ये कैंडल नीचे क्लोज हो जाए. अगर ये ऑर्डर ब्लॉक है तो ये वायलेट नहीं होना चाहिए. और बाय द वे, वन मोर थिंग, रिजेक्शन ब्लॉक एरिया, रिजेक्शन. ओके, एसएमटी 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 एसएमटी. So far, SMT is happening. NQ is weak so far. So you have to wait for shift in structure, then the SMT will be confirmed. तो वो जो अपनी एंट्री थी बुलिश कंटिन्यूएशन की, वो यहाँ से ये था टारगेट. देखते हैं अब ये अगर यहाँ पे आएगा तो डेफिनेटली ये ऊपर जाएगा. Platinum. Okay. 3, 4. नॉट वेरी क्लियर। ऑर्डर ब्लॉक तो है बट फिर पहले गैप यहाँ पे नहीं हो, 1 मिनट में ऑर्डर ब्लॉक उधर नहीं है। अच्छा, स्लो डाउन है सडनली मार्केट स्पेंडिंग पर। ओके, वी हैव अ पोटेंशियल एसएलपी। ये it may not do the alignment. Some Fridays do, like last week, 20-30% of the weekly range. Monday, they're already at close to 20%. Do you think Friday is done here like this? Okay, 1 hour, it's closed inside the 1 hour gap. Okay, 4 hour, 4 hour, 4 hour, there is this imbalance, so still uh, bit of resistance. Okay, waiting, shift. It's just pooling right now, manipulation. So it has to go above or below this before we'll get something. We are in macro also. So currently this is a session low, day low. चलो, वो तो टारगेट पे आ गया ये वाला बाय। यहाँ से यहाँ से था, ठीक, यहाँ से था 400 ticks. Swing. See, these two have gone above, okay, but MQ has not yet gone above. One scenario in manipulation is it goes above, taps the high or midpoint, and then okay, it's getting there. Micro time, liquidity taken, failed to take liquidity so far. This is the first kind. Failed, taken, taken. It's empty. Swing. On the lowers, there might be something going on. The 243. Okay. On the lower, there is something going on. Order block. Between the 1 and 5. And push it into -1. Okay, order block. Only thing is, okay, it's look where it's rejecting from. Okay, rejection block. We could get a setup. Time is right. Wait for structure shift. 5 minute also does this, no? Then we can continue our trade. And by the way, like look, where is the low aligning of this? Where is equilibrium aligning last fair value gap? Let's see. Not yet order block because candle has closed above. See, this is not yet violated. The topmost order block, right? Stair stepping. It's just a range bound accumulating for longs or shorts. Range bound. Okay, looks like a good order block. Traded a fair value gap. We have SMT going on. If we get displacement, then the swing is swing for market separation. Let's see. Not yet an order block. Didn't close below. Digging around. Okay, let's plan our setup. So when it comes back, we have to fill the SL stop. So the SL will be 82. The profit will be 160. And then you have breaker, liquidity void, all this. So probably two contracts. Let's see. Right now it's chicky time. Chicky. 1 hour candle closed inside its fair value gap. Okay, we're getting shift. Okay, shift has happened here in these assets. What can stop the price? What can stop the price? Somewhere in this area there could be something that can. Okay, we might get a setup. Okay. Shift has happened. Order block. Is there a proper order block? This is a confirmed order block now. Okay, but the way it formed after 2-3 candles, not perfect. And if there is no fair value gap, no setup. Two-minute order block is looking better. any of these, if they make fair value gaps, also we can see. So we've got shift, 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 no gap in 1 minute. Only YM has a gap. Okay, order block. It's accumulating. Um, it, this will end here in the next 2 or 3 candles. So this becomes more like an accumulation to me. So this is X reversal, right? This is then X, and then this becomes accumulation. Now let's see where it ends. If it ends more or less where it opened, which is here, then it's just an accumulation. And the next cycle is green. Okay. Hmm. Next cycle is green. And the PDRA is here, down. Okay. Okay, okay, okay. 2 minutes. In 5 minutes, we might get a shift. Okay. After this will be the last candle. This one might have some role, okay, especially in the next cycle. Or in fact, a better one is okay. See, YM had that structure and everything, so it did fine. Okay, ending with this. I guess one more candle after this. So let's remove, which means if it's accumulation where it opened, which is here, it will end here only more or less, which is where it is. Oh, actually, this is not for the next cycle. Next cycle is down here. One. Okay. Last candle. 5 minute getting that shift. See, it failed to tap that. That's why I was saying that entry is not the correct one. You would have kept your TP here and it wouldn't have hit that run. Although it was looking perfect, the reason is because this had already completed, right? So now that will also potentially play a role in here. This is that fair value gap. I'll go one type of situation, right? Okay, now we're getting the shift. Let's tune into 5 minutes. And so you have an order block, although this is more like a 15-minute kind of a situation. Then if we get a fair value gap here, so you're getting the displacement now. One is looking very tricky, dude, to be honest with you. Chris. Okay, now, okay, that's, yeah. Ooh. Shift in structure, perfect 2022 by day model. But we have to wait, right? Because there needs to be a fair value gap here. But now let's check. If we were to take the trade, it's 2 micros, huh? Crap trade. Okay. See, I told you this will have a role. So it inversed, boom. That particular. Now it's become balanced. Okay, do we have anything coming? The old me would have shorted right there. Yeah, it left. Second time it left. It didn't. Why? Because that run was not correct one. No, that's why. Okay, so now X A M manipulation. A lot of the times manipulation will lead to an expansion on the same side. Okay, it's taken all the liquidity there. We have an SMT. See, previous quarter low is down here. High is somewhere here. Really nothing. I mean, right now the low is too far, so there's no. Either that'll just support it and it'll go up. We'll have to just. Okay, we need a nice closure, otherwise there won't be a fair value gap here. Okay, so no setup till we get the fair. Now we can cycle through time frames, but I don't think so. You'll have anything. Let's go back to. It reached equilibrium. There could be another play if we are still going to go up. There is a play here. You have order block. The only problem, okay, it missed that, right? So it's fine. You have an inversion fair value gap, huh? But you don't have a swing for market to shift. You don't have a swing. Your swing is here on top. No, no, there is a inversion here, dude. That's a fair value gap. Yesterday, you remember we took that. See, this is relatively low risk. Right now, it doesn't look like market is doing. So, only thing is there's no fucking swing is up there. Well, if it can go all the way up and come back without tapping into those equalize, it's still a trade. Still a trade. But I mean, this is telling me somehow screaming bearish. This is tricky. Tricky, tricky. Let's look at platinum, dude. Yeah, see, didn't go. Didn't go. Now we have to shift lower and check where things at. See, we're in the middle. So it has to reach at some point or whatever, get a proper setup at somewhere here, then it will go. It won't go like that. That's the situation here right now. Okay, so you have an inversion. A lot of people are jumping into that right now, I'm sure. Uh, there is no SMT, man. There's no SMT. There's no SMT. Okay, so it can go to the mid of this accumulation and fall. It can do that. Now it's forming a swing. I don't think so. This is a clean setup. 83 SM 159. And this will get rejected. Will get fucked. Sorry for the language, folks. Okay, okay. No SMT. Look now, where it that was a BPR, now it's taking support. Man, this is something is going on here, okay? And I can't pinpoint what. But I don't see a swing in any asset. It's making a swing now, but this should be very strong now, look. This PPR. Yeah, and although it will be better if it was in the blue cycle where it is. Its market is licking with people. Look at this. It's gonna take both sides, seek and destroy. So we wait for a setup. That's what we can do. Okay. It seems this is coming here. It seems this is coming platinum. Yeah, bearish. But the SMT was for bullish. Which asset actually moved? Uh, is it even running? Okay, gold is running, right? Copper is not running. Market is closed. MCX, that is Indian market. COMEX. COMEX also closed. Okay, failed so far. Now this is looking like a trap fair value gap. It closes below, boom, boom. Let's see if that happens. The trap gap. Yeah, by the way, now if we get that structure shift fair value gap in this area, that is valid. So trap gap, trap gap. So low risk trap gap short would be like, let's see if this works. Hmm. 15 minute, there is no swing, okay, but the order block looks nice and juicy there, right? There's no uh, swing for shifting market structure yet, so that's the problem with that. Oh, my trap cap thing is working. Take till this rejection block. 1:2. By now, you can just trail it to midpoint or even break even. SMT, SMT, SMT is happening. Let's see if it sustains, then these two will be the failure swing. If we get a shift and we get fair value gap, we have the order block. Just need the fair value gap. Whole AM session, there was one super move, which by the time I opened the chart, the market was maybe somewhere else. That was this too, the perfect. I'll show you. And this thing is moving up and down with the, yeah. So we came, oh shit, yeah, the tricks up. Okay, so it came below, explored extension, okay, went up, you then had no fair value gap, came lower, okay, tapped into, we have an order block, we have a shift that has happened, and we have a, just looking at, oh yeah, there are equal lows here, so let's see, no SMT. Okay, we'll get, this is opportunity window of a few minutes now before lunch. Okay. So yeah, the setup was here. Where, and this is, I shouldn't reveal it on stream because that's the magic one, dude, which I backed. I have to talk to you. So after maybe I cut the stream, I'm gonna cut it now. I think let's see if by 11:45 we get something right here and now. Well and good. Otherwise, it's not the thing. But I've done the back testing, dude, and this is the entry. In fact, your entry is here. Fuck that shit. The entry is here. The entry is actually this one after the shift, and because it didn't reach there, and this is your TP. Boom. Fast and furious. The, the range completes here. That's a different story. You want to hold it, but look at the fast and furious. Boom. One. Oh, you entered here, so obviously you sat through uh, some of this, and then okay, where are we? Where are we? Where are we? Okay. These are the equal lows. Mm, blue is starting. Blue. There is an SMT situation. And so one is the low of this low is interesting, and this low is interesting right now at this time. This low is interesting. Then as soon as, and in another 3-4 minutes, next cycle, this low is interesting. This low and this low. Where are we? Getting our favor in 5 minutes. Go one more up. No fair value gap. 2 minutes. Okay. Holy shit. We have something, dude. We have something. 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 There is a valid fair value up there, okay? There is a valid fair. Your entry would have been here. Oh, shit. There is a valid fair value. There is. Okay, but it's a little tricky. I mean, I don't think it should reach here before reaching here. I don't think so, but it's a little tricky right now. Right now, a little tricky on that. A little tricky on that. Oh man. So the manipulation XAM manipulation happened to the downside on all of them. Okay. Yeah. All manipulation was to the downside. So this is that type of manipulation where I think that the distribution will continue. Okay. And overall, if we see, we are in which cycle? This was So here it ended now. So this was A, I think. It started here, it ended here. M, or it was XA, and this was M. So you got that fast and furious. I think this was M. Now you'll get D, either continuation or reversal, right? So it has to go one way or the other. By the way, um, yeah, I think I'll just put a range here for the 1 minute because I'm switching over the 2 minutes. There is potential for upside this way. This one's empty. So now we are past the green. This is probably the last candle. And what I was saying is the swings which are interesting in blue, in green also, but uh, in green, this was that way below. But as soon as blue comes, then these lows are somewhat activated for me in my head in the blue, which will start in the next few minutes. Okay, there is a shift. Okay, there is an order block. We've come to the low. We're going inside the range. It had failed the last time, right? So this is looking like a bullish situation to me right now as well. So it's showing both sides because we are in consolidation, right? So it will kind of show both sides, which makes it hard to determine. But yeah, good we didn't take that shot because I'm not 100%. Failure to take that low. Now we are entering blue, okay? In the previous cycle, if you see, there is an SMT. Yeah, there is SMT. Yeah. Right, so this has taken that low, although in the previous cycle, and these are not taken, these are failure swings. Now, if we get a shift over here, uh, we have order block, we have this little fair value gap, 3 minutes, might be much more clear, 4 minutes, 5 minutes, 3 minutes. 3 minute has something, but we do need to see some displacement first. Short-term trend is, one can say, bullish RTU. Long-term is bearish. By the way, is it just another 7-8 minutes? I'll just close up the stream and then I'll show you the backtesting stuff. Okay, no displacement, made more equal highs on the 2 minutes. But if you see, the bodies are not really respectful of the range, right? It's still more 1 minute, which is more respectful of the range. So do we have any swing in this leg? There is no swing. There's just one drop. So the swing is there only. It's not being shifted. The market is doing some kind of a drama right now. True. And that trap setup was cool, no? But so that trap formed somewhere uh, here, I think this candle. So you would have taken it till that rejection block 158. So $75. Bullshit. Okay, now we get some displacement. Cool. We have the displacement. We have the SMT in a way. If it does not reach here, okay, then I would say this is the only opportunity right now. So if it doesn't reach there, okay, again, it's reached the middle of this accumulation, and a lot of times the manipulation leading to the next cycle can be a distribution lower. That's a possibility also. But I mean, if I have to take a chance right now, it would be this. The reason is because it has taken these liquidities also, right? We have equal highs. So SL at that red line, fit here. Okay, guys, if anyone is in the stream, please, this is the setup. Breaker, and we might even get continuation. Okay, so one can, I might just take two. I have made $700 in this account in London, so I don't mind losing some and then seeing if there is more to capture. Okay, we have a breaker here as well. Traditional breaker, right? This is a traditional breaker with a, forget the GB levels, but this is exactly a breaker. We're coming in on the midpoint of that breaker. But the first thing is it should not reach here. Okay, so now we are entering the final phase. What's important here, PDRA wise, will be this, which can stop the price. I'm only looking at 2 minutes because we are playing in 2 minutes. There is this one which is important, and then there is this one which there is also on the way down this order block. And the order block here. These are all the PD arrays starting. Let's see if we get that. So my whole thing is we're taking a bullet setup. The reason is of the short term. It reached somewhat near the midpoint. It could work, but not 100%. Not 100% sure. But this is the only setup in all this that I see, and I'm going by the displacement run up as well at some level. So now just cycling through 15-minute once. Um, yeah, 15-minute. There is an order block apparently here, closed at 50% of that, but there is a bullish order block here as well, right? Look how the next candle closed above it. Now, when it comes back, these areas should be sensitive for higher prices. Is there a reason to come down right now? No, I'm not sure. I don't think so. There's a reason to go up. Sure. It can do this PM session, lunch session, whatever, right? And it can even go back later to close within the range. It could do all that. Or it could just close below, whatever. But bit tricky. But I think having a runner which lunch will so guys ये है ट्रेड ठीक है अब यहाँ पे मैंने लगा दिया ये ट्रेड है आपको ट्रेड मैनेज करना है बट मैं ये बोलूंगा कि जब एक बार ये यहाँ पहुंच जाएगा इस लेवल पे तो आप पार्शियल ले लीजिए ब्रेक इवन पे ले लीजिए ट्रेड क्लोज कर दीजिए जो आपको ठीक लग रहा है वैसा करना अदरवाइज टीपी ये है और रनर रखना है तो ये यहाँ पे जो मैंने लाइन ड्रॉ कर रखी 2860 मैक्सिमम एक्सट्रीम टारगेट तो स्ट्रीम को मैं यहीं बंद करता हूँ एंड ये मैं इसको रिकॉर्ड करके डाल दूंगा कि क्या हुआ और आप देख ही रहे